In the heart of the countryside, where technology meets tradition, modern dairy and meat production has evolved beyond imagination. Today, we'll step inside the world of automated cow farming, where machines handle everything, from milking and feeding to processing and packaging, with precision and care. It all begins on a smart dairy farm, where cows live in clean, comfortable environments. Temperature sensors, robotic feeders, and automatic cleaning systems work together to ensure animal health and hygiene. Each cow wears a digital tag that tracks her daily activity, feed intake, and milk yield. Using this data, the system adjusts nutrition and milking schedules for each animal, individually. Next, it's time for milking. Gone are the days of manual milking. Modern dairy farms use automated milking robots. These high-tech machines use laser sensors to locate the cow's teats precisely, attach milking cups, and extract fresh milk gently and efficiently. The milk flows directly through chilled pipelines to sealed tanks where it's cooled instantly to preserve freshness and quality. Once collected, the milk is transported to a processing plant where it's pasteurized, homogenized, and packed, all under fully automated systems. Machines handle every step: filtration, bottling, sealing, and labeling, ensuring every drop meets strict food safety standards. When it comes to meat production, technology ensures efficiency, hygiene, and precision. In advanced automated meat factories, machines manage nearly every stage, from carcass cleaning to portion cutting and packaging. Computer-guided saws and robotic arms perform each cut with exact accuracy, minimizing waste and maximizing yield. The meat is then transferred through temperature-controlled conveyors for trimming, deboning, and grading. Once prepared, the meat and dairy products move to the packaging section, where robotic systems vacuum seal, weigh, and label each product automatically. Before shipping, every package passes through AI-powered quality checks, scanning for freshness, weight, and packaging integrity. Sustainability is a key part of modern farming. Waste from cows is converted into biogas for renewable energy, while recycled water is used for cleaning and irrigation. Automated tractors and drones manage feed crops, track soil health, and ensure every part of the farm runs efficiently, powered by data and machines. From pasture to processing, technology has transformed every step of the cow farming industry. Precision machines ensure that milk and meat reach your table, safe, clean, and efficiently produced. This is the future of food, where nature meets innovation, and machines build the farms of tomorrow. After packaging, every product enters the cold storage zone, a temperature-controlled environment that keeps meat and milk perfectly fresh until delivery. Smart refrigeration systems automatically adjust humidity and temperature, ensuring optimal preservation. Robots and conveyor lines handle thousands of packages with precision, reducing human contact and contamination risk. Automated guided vehicles, or AGVs, transport the packed goods across the warehouse, organizing them by destination and dispatch time. With barcode scanners and AI sorting systems, every product is tracked in real time. From here, refrigerated trucks carry these products to distribution centers and supermarkets, ensuring the freshness remains intact for from factory to table. Fade to a control room filled with large digital screens showing live data from farms and factories. Behind the scenes, all these operations are monitored from a central farm data center, the digital brain of modern agriculture. Camera zooms into screens displaying cow health data, milk yield graphs, and machine performance analytics. Sensors installed across barns, machines, and fields send real-time information to this command hub. Artificial intelligence analyzes everything, from cow behavior and feeding patterns to machinery efficiency and product output. If a machine needs maintenance or a cow shows early signs of illness, the system sends instant alerts. This smart monitoring allows farmers to act before problems occur, boosting productivity and animal welfare. Transition to futuristic visuals, drones flying over green fields, robotic milkers at work, solar-powered barns. As automation continues to advance, the future of farming looks more efficient, sustainable, and humane than ever. Next-generation machines will use AI to make independent decisions, predicting weather impacts, optimizing feed crops, and even controlling irrigation systems automatically. With robotics designed for care and precision, farms of tomorrow will blend technology with compassion, reducing waste, protecting animals, and feeding a growing world responsibly. From data-driven barns to robotic factories, this is the evolution of farming, where innovation meets nature, and everything is truly built by machines.